So we did a crazy thing. We bought a 20 plate Model 3 Tesla. Now, as you can see, the rear camera is a bit foggy. First, we thought it's just a little bit of dirt because it is 5 years old, and the interior of a car was an absolute tip. After DIY Dave did some investigative work, he realized it needs more than just a wipe. So he got his turtle wax resin polish out and got to it. Please don't turn off. You've not dropped some acid and gone back to the 90s. You're not in a rave. It's all fine. It's part of the process. The man is polishing the lens. I'll speed it up for those of you that can't cope with this bit of 90s nostalgia. And yeah, I did say speed it up on purpose. Look at that. It's like magic. Clean, clear, crisp. Almost like it's freaking brand spanking new. And all it took was a man, a plan, some turtle wax, a cloth, and some funky, funky tunes. Oonts, oonts, oonts. If you like it, subscribe.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.